Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, let's learn about how to install Android Studio. Let's get started with the video. So we have Android Studio version and release date. Double click to start or right click and click Run as Administrator. So a window appears. Click on Yes to allow this app to make changes. Now again a window will appear. This is Android Studio setup window. Click on next option. This is to choose components. Click on next option. Here is configuration settings. Click next. And this is to choose start menu folder, that is Android Studio app will be visible in start menu. Next step is to click on install option. Installation gets started. So it takes around 4 to 5 minutes to install. Wait until installation is completed. Earlier I shared one video on how to install JDK for Android Studio. If you haven't watched that video, watch that video, how to install JDK for Android Studio. I shall give link in the description box. Check out the video. And yes, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video and also share with your friends. So after installation is completed, click on next option. Lastly, click on finish option to complete Android Studio setup. Next, a window appears. It says import Android Studio settings. Here it is auto selected. Do not import settings. Just click on OK option. Now setup is installed. So this window is of Android Studio with version and release date. Now we have to set up more options after installation. So here click on don't share. This is the welcome Android Studio window. Click on next option. Next is install type. So auto selected is standard option. To proceed, click on next option. Click on next option. Select UI theme, user interface theme. So there are two, Dracula and Light. Dracula is for black screen and Light is for white screen. Here I have selected Dracula, that is black screen. Click next. Then again click next. Very important is license agreement. So here select all the three license to the left side. First is Android SDK license. Select and click on accept. Second is Android extra license. Accept. Click and accept. And the third one is Android SDK preview license. Click on accept. And final step is to click on next. Now it is downloading components. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Wait until These components are downloaded completely. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes to download. Do not close the screen or shut down your PC. Now the download is completed. Scroll down to check all the components are installed successfully. And yes, they are installed successfully. Now final step is to click on finish option. So this is the welcome to Android Studio screen where we select new project. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.